All right, 2018 Nissan Titan brake pads. First, there's this deal right here. You got to take that thing off of there. It's set on there with this bolt. It's a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Take it off so you can move the caliper up. And then this bolt up under here, right there is 17 millimeter. And then you take it off. It looks like this here on the bottom. You take that one on the bottom off, and then you can pull this up like that. And then I'll probably put some wire or something through this hole right here. That way it don't slam back down on you. And you can take the pads out. They got them little clips on there. It should come with the new ones. If not, you can reuse them, I suppose. I'm talking about those little clips. Take these out. Man, these need to be changed bad. And then they got these little tabs on the bottom of the pad. You got to remember where that's at. It's on this side. It was over here. See that tab there? I'll put them back in the same place. Got these clips. Take them out because they come with the new ones in the package. And then I'll just brake clean all this. Make sure it's a clean place that it's going into. And I'll take one of the old pads. Damn. Put it up on there. Like that. And then I'll use a C-clamp to push those pistons back in at the same time. So it'd be something like your C-clamp or your channel locks or whatever would grab that and push, 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 and then it'll push them both them pistons back in at the same time. You got to go slow. And then you just put it all back with the bolts that you took off.